Hi, dear students. Good morning. Today we are going to discuss the second chapter of the 10th CBSE English course, Nelson Mandela Long Walk to Freedom. A Long Walk to Freedom is the autobiography of Nelson Mandela, who was the former South African president. This chapter is the extracts from the Long Walk to Freedom. It includes the description of the inauguration ceremony and citations from his speech and about his journey to being a freedom fighter. It says about the other countless people who fought for their freedom. In South Africa, a brutal practice named apartheid was very popular in those days. It referred to the discrimination between people on the basis of their race and color. It was one of the most brutal societies in which dark-skinned people were deprived of their basic rights. This lesson gives us an overview of the struggles of Mandela for making the society with no discrimination on the basis of their color, caste, race, age, or gender. Nelson Mandela took the oath as the first black president on 10th May 1994. In his speech, Mandela thanked all those persons who come over there. Mandela assured his countrymen that his country would never experience the same suppression of one by one another. Democracy had been established in South Africa, and as a result, a government of no discrimination was established. The people of South Africa sang two national anthems as a symbol of that day. Mandela recalled that the reason for this movement was the black-skinned people were exploited by the white people. He said that this type of suppression of people of South Africa is the origin of many stars. People must learn to hate first, because if they hate, then they can be taught to love, as love comes from the opposite circumstances. He also says that a brave man is not that who does not feel afraid, but who conquers it. In life, a man has two major obligations. First, towards his family, to his parents, to his wife, and to his children. And second, on the other hand, obligations towards his country, people, and the community. Everyone fulfills his duty as per his inclination and interest. But it was very tough to fulfill in a country like South Africa. When Mandela became an adult, he understood that his freedom was only an illusion. In fact, he was the slave of exploitation. He also understood that his family members were also slaves. According to him, freedom is also mandatory for them, who were suppressing others in the past. They also have the right to have it, because snatcher of others' freedom is a prisoner of the same. Thus, the oppressor is as much as a prisoner as the oppressed. The brave man is not the one who does not feel afraid, but he is the one who conquers that fear. Mandela said that every man has his duties towards his country and community too. In this chapter, or in his speech, Mandela explains how he attains the freedom of the South Africa. He explains the way and the methods of how we have to be together, because togetherness is essential for the freedom from the racism and from the fear of mind. So Mandela is the person who has taken as the role model of Mahatma Gandhi. And Mahatma Gandhi taught him how we want to fight for freedom of a country. As we know that Mahatma Gandhi was there in South Africa, and he has learned something from Mahatma Gandhi to do this. So this is the summary of the lesson. Read the lesson well.